Come on, Bookie, if you want to be in the video. Another post-work beer. You okay? You're limping. So the cat's limping. Okay, so today's post-work beer is from Birdsong Brewing. It's a Mexicali Stout. It's a Mexican coffee stout. It's got a lot of cinnamon flavor on the front. I've had this one before. I really love this beer. Beautiful. Drinking out of my glass from Innovation Brewing in Silva. If you haven't tried their beers, I recommend it. Looks like Mountain Layers beer is watching. Awesome. Also great beer in Western North Carolina. All the Western North Carolina breweries are my favorites. These people are out of Charlotte. Birdsong is out of Charlotte. They do some really good beers. I've had a jalapeno IPA from them, or I'm sorry, a jalapeno pale ale. They have a really good solid brown. I got this from Bryson City Outdoors Craft Beer Department. This is going to be backwards to you guys, but this is what the can looks like. Nice little 16-ounce can. Good one to finish the day with. 5.8%. I like this beer because along with the cinnamon and the coffee, there is a little bit of a, almost like a chili kind of flavor to it. It's a tasty beer. So this is today's post-work beer. It is Mexicali Stout from Birdsong Brewing, Mexican coffee stout. Delicious little beer. If you haven't had this one yet, I highly recommend it. And it's a beautiful day, so I hope y'all got to go outside and enjoy it. Cheers.